properly transport your RZR XP Turbo with Dynamix active suspension, follow these steps. Ensure your trailer and tie-down straps are properly rated for your vehicle weight. Always follow all warnings and precautions listed by the manufacturers. Begin by performing a quick inspection on your trailer to ensure it is clean and free of any major debris. Before loading, always practice safe riding by wearing the required safety gear listed in your owner's manual. Next, safely drive your vehicle onto the trailer. Do not transport the vehicle in a reverse direction on the trailer. Place the vehicle in park and verify the park position is displayed in the gauge. Slowly release the brake pedal and ensure the vehicle does not roll. Turn the engine off and turn the key back to the on position. The key switch must remain in the on position for the entire securing process. Next, set the suspension settings to comfort mode. This will ensure the shocks are operating at their minimum damping setting. Failure to do so can lead to a reduction of intended strap tension while trailering. Latch the seat belts and double-check the seats to ensure they are secure. Then, close the doors and ensure they do not open. Also ensure the front storage compartment is latched and that the fuel cap is secure. Verify all accessories, if equipped, are properly secured. Before securing the vehicle to the trailer, inspect the tie-down straps for any wear or damage and replace as needed. Beginning at the front, attach the tie-down straps to the designated tie-down point. Then attach the straps to the trailer and adjust as necessary. Do not attach tie straps to the front control arm bolt pockets. Move to the rear of the vehicle and attach the tie-down straps to the designated tie-down points. Then, attach the straps to the trailer and adjust as necessary. Next, evenly tighten the tie-down straps until the suspension begins to compress. Then, secure any extra length of the straps before transporting. Verify the vehicle is still in park and that the suspension setting is still in comfort mode. If the setting has switched to a different setting, cycle the key and repeat the securing process. Turn the vehicle power off and remove the key to prevent loss during transport. Perform a final inspection to ensure all tie-downs are tight and secure. Finish by securing your trailer for safe travel. For more information, see your authorized Polaris dealer or visit Polaris.com.